Hey, this is Justin my day. I'm now embarking the Voyager Bluetooth headset, ring headset, calling and music. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see this in there. I just got it on the mail today. Let's see. These are the hair. And put this little piece out. Put a hair something. There it is. There's the headset. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I think this one must be, let's see. Yeah, to plug in. And this one, so you can hear some music. That must be to plug in to hear some music. And use it for calling. We have all the backup stuff in case if I lose some piece of it. You have the charger. Let's see. It's just a bag. They give you a bag to put it in there. It's real good. It looks like a cable. I wonder what this for. I don't know what that's for. Let's see. Nothing in there. Look. I think it's an instruction book. Let's take it out. Yeah. Let's see where I come. This is all they got. Yeah. And back at the headset. Additional for the left ear so you can listen to music. Adapter. I don't know what that is. It must be probably just to hold something. A bag to put stuff in. This is what the butt look like. Yeah. Haha. Let's see, what's there? That came in the box too. It's getting hot in here. I guess that's it. That's all the other pieces we got. Alright.